Hey guys! Oh no, oh no. You know, I made a New Year's thing that I would never say hey guys again, but yeah, I'm proving not to fix with that. Since yesterday, I released another video. Well, probably not yesterday for you guys, but since yesterday, I actually released another teardown video. And it sounded like really, it got a lot of views. Not that, I don't know how many people actually watched the entire thing, but it did get a lot of views. So I am doing another one again. I was going to do it next week, but I'm just going to do it now anyways. So yeah. So we are back. I think the game has probably gotten rid of the tornado. If it hasn't, I'm going to cry. I'm just going to cry. Yeah, I think no tornado. Okay, so yeah, you got rolls. Oh, front painting that, wherever that is. Yeah, just daily break. Just break the treadmill. It's just daily stuff. Throw treadmill through the window. Oh, okay, sorry. Throw treadmill through. Oh, this window's pretty strong. Throw treadmill. I said throw treadmill through the window. Okay, that's not gonna happen, is it? So here we go. Tracy needs coffee. I don't care about you. Is that like everything? Oh, Gordon, Marina too small. Okay. So Marina too small. Okay. So I need to destroy. Like I said, this is the first one in the Marina. Yeah, I remember Marina's. Marina's annoying, but this one's easy. No alarm system. I don't think so, at least. Yeah, there's definitely no alarm system. So should be easy peasy lemon squeezy. Well, actually, if I check, fire alarm. So there's only a fire alarm. So just like if we use blowtorch, you know what? They're too old-fashioned. Yeah, I like that. Yeah, it's just like an easy mission. Since it's an easy mission, I'll probably do another one. But yeah. Oh well, I've instantly already nearly broken this. Okay. Which direction is it? This direction. Wow, the first person's annoying in this thing. Not really. This thing is weak. It's really weak. I think we need it. Right, I should have just like walked. Oh well, I can break the house anyways with this. There it is. It's like 6 meters too tall, isn't it? Ow, I can't see a thing. Hold on. What's happening? Oh my god. Huh. Well, that worked surprisingly effectively. Okay. Seems like a boardwalk, but it's like in the process. Okay, this is gonna be easy. This is easy. Yeah, I might as well do that as well. Aww. You know, I want to complete the thing without using weapons. Well, I might just like round this into that. There we go. Okay. Oh no, Jeremy's dead. What do you mean required, optional? What's optional? What? Okay. So where's the warehouse safe? Oh, okay, so I have to go to the warehouse safe, and then I can also do that if I want to. You know what? Because since it's like a really easy optional target, I'm gonna do it. I'm so gonna do it. Okay, good. I thought it was just to do that, but now apparently there's more. Okay, so I've got to do this without using tools. It's gonna be sort of hard. So what do I have to do to it? I have to destroy by dumping. That's just mountain climbing here. Ooh, don't mind if I do. Okay. There we go. So where is this warehouse safe? Ooh. Okay. Is this valuable? No. Normally I'd break that door. Nothing seems to be here. It's a shame. Weird that no one's actually home. Ooh. Model ship. Okay. Where is this? Okay, it's on the other side of the house. Okay. I think it's here. Get out. Ooh. Okay. This is why can I not use weapons? Okay, you know what? Screw that. Screw mission. I'm using weapons. I need like tools actually. Okay. All these things. I can drive that. Okay. Roll. Okay. Wow, this safe is like indestructible. Okay. Okay, are you dead yet? No. Okay. It's got it. No, this is impossible. Die. So this is like the first mission, I think, that has optional targets. And I think they're probably all gonna have optional targets now. Okay. Damn, that one's done. Now to make this more interesting, what I'm gonna do. Anything in here? Okay, doesn't seem like there's anything there. Oh. I instantly work that. Okay. It's a new box, so I'm just gonna cut this out. Oh no. Okay, tra-la-la-la. Let's see if this works. Oh, I didn't catch it. New focus. Okay. Is that one? What the? Oh wait, I'm grabbing the house. Okay. There has to be ways to do this. Okay, I'm glitching through the safe. Okay, just a little to the side. There we go. Okay, finally. Okay. Okay, so. See? That's so much easier. Oh, I was going to drop it into the water, but I guess that works as well. Okay. So, I've done that. This boat is way too slow. I'm going to get another one. Ooh, that one looks good. Yeah. bro, it's gonna take centuries. Nah, really. Okay. 5 years later. How do I get into this? Okay, it's gonna be hard actually, it's gonna be hard. So, how do I get into this living boat? Maybe I have to park the wall. Oh wait, no, I'm into... How did I... Nah bro, I just glitched inside of a safe. That's not gonna work. I'm just okay, I think yeah, if I okay. Oh, there we go. Okay, this is gonna be better. Now this is what I call boats. Where is this skateboard? Oh no! Hey. Oh wait, no! Spin! Oh my god! Abandoned ship! What did I even hit? Bro, I just Titanicked. No, bro, my only way out of here. Actually, it isn't really my only way out. Well, there has to be a way. Oh no. Oh no. Get out. I'm stuck. Oh, bro. Ah, my shit. Bruh. Now I have to manually get to my escape route, which is all the way over there. So. And I can't be bothered to go manually, so I'm just going to get into another boat. That this time, hopefully we won't get stuck. Oh, it already works. Wait, actually that works a bit. Yeah, this is high enough, right? Oh. That's not nice. Okay, fine. Let's go. Oh, it just glitched through the other boat. Bruh. Okay. That was easy. Let's just hope the other one isn't one of Gordon Woo's stupid feuds. No. We actually got a new tool. Let's go. That's why you do optional tasks. Yeah, that works. Okay, there we go. Finally, I can break this. Jedi? Yeah, let's go. Okay. What tool have I got? Oh, yes. Yeah, I open up. Let's go. Oh, I never noticed that. I think I finally might have broken it. Guys, I finally broke the elevator. This is a historic day. Ooh, the ocean cabins from Westwood, popular holiday resort. Don't really care. Nah, that noise when it gets destroyed, that's so annoying. Oh no, it's the classic Cars one. I hate this. I could upgrade that, but nah, I'm gonna upgrade this. What? Yes, it's got so much more. Wait, I could upgrade like, oh, this is gonna be really upgraded. Range. I love this. Wait, can I even blow up the toilet? Nah, I can even fight Skibidi toilets with this. Let's go. Oh, that was such an FBI open up. Lol. Is there any propane tanks in there, bro? Nah, bro. I just took that off its frame. No, I'm gonna destroy that fuse that. Bruh, I'm taking this with me. How are the lights still on? Ah, no one cares. Oh, I love this. It's the best thing ever. Yeah, I did that in the first episode as well. Okay. Anyways, get back. Back to this. How much range has this got? Bro. Anyways, new message. Oh no, I hate this. I hate this one. Okay, this is probably the last one as well. Like last one. Because guys, I'm going to get toasted in this one. Oh, no. Okay. Yeah, I remember this. You can just do easy parkour. Okay. So one's there. That's probably the hard one. What? What's here? Oh, no. Oh. What's that? Okay, so the cars are. So there's one over there and one over there. You know what? Optional. I don't really care about you. I'm wasting my shotgun. Oh wait, the boat's gone. Let's move over there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, mini forklift. Oh wait, I've already caved in. Wait, what's it like in first person? Nah, bro, this is so hard. Okay, so what am I doing? Okay. So, oh yeah, it really has bad range. Useful. Not really. Okay, so let's see. I really hope there's gonna be like a way to transport it. I could have just opened them. Oh, okay, so there's a truck here. Okay, well, it's time to do this. If I mess this up, I'm fixed. Okay. Oh no, I've messed up big time. I've messed up. I've done a big doo-doo. Okay. I'm gonna concentrate. Okay, I've done it. Oh, come on. Okay, can I grab that? Seems like I can't. What is the problem now? I'm actually going to go to this. Or actually, there's a better way to do this. Okay, what was I driving there? Oh, it's actually this. Oh, damn, brother. Okay. Nah. Oh, wait, was I driving the car? Yeah, I have to do this a bit more slow. Oh no, the mini forklift. I opened the door. Okay. Okay, it seems like... Oh no, whoops. Well, you know what? That's as easy as I can do. Okay, that's good. That's good. What's happening to me? Okay, that's better. That's better. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Okay. I'll have to swim over to that. I think it's the next target. Yeah, it definitely is. Okay. Okay, so the next car is here. Okay. I need a 360 this. 360. Oh, drift. Oh no, Tokyo drift. No. Oh, I don't want to do what happened last time. Okay, this is extreme concentration levels right now. Right. Okay, this is like walking a car. Oh no, I hit it. Oh no, I hit the bridge as well. You know what? Works good enough. Yeah, I'd say I could drive that out. Yeah, that looks good. Could have done it better. But let's go. Okay. I got this in the bag. I got this in the bag. Oh no, escape. Let's go. Not even a police helicopter in the sight. Yeah, I know I didn't do any optionals. So let's see what I did. Nah, that's what I call sweaty moves. Bro, there's a truck with like half its face gone. Okay, that's... Oh wait, I didn't do that. Did I? Okay, I might have done that, but... You never know. There we go. That was easy. Actually, I might do one more level. Just for the sake of it, depending on it. Corn time. This is going to be so satisfying. Oh, it's not very satisfying, actually. Why doesn't corn break easily? I thought that was going to be satisfying, to be fair. Okay. Now let's watch out what they're made for. Okay, have a look. Does the switch still work? Bruh. Okay. Ooh. Wow. You know my hate it when I run out. Bruh, I was gonna smash the Donald Trump painting over here. Okay, well, let's forget about that. What? I didn't get no cash? Oh, wait, it's only by finding valuables, bro. What? Oh no, not the car wash. Okay, guys, the car wash. I was stuck on that level so long. So, yeah, I'll do that with you guys another day. Probably recently, like, I'll do it, like, hopefully tomorrow, past tomorrow, and we'll do the car wash. That was so annoying for me. Oh, wait. Hello? No. But yeah, I'll see you guys next vid.